Hi, I'm Jordan with Karcher. Today I'd like to talk to you about some of the features and benefits
of the BD80-100 Auto Scrubber.
Starting with the control panel of the unit, we'll see the yellow daily operator touch point. The first one you'll notice is to turn the key to the on position. We can then select whether we're going forward or reverse for the task at hand. We can use the dial to select our speed for the task we wish to accomplish. We have the yellow manual release for the squeegee assembly. You'll see the two light gray service touch points, the large wing nuts to help remove the squeegee assembly from the machine. We also have the yellow foot pedal, which is used to lower and raise the large, robust 32-inch aluminum brush deck, along with the T-bars, which are used to take the brush or pad drivers off the unit. On the right rear of the machine, we see the sight tube to indicate how much fresh water and solution we have in the freshwater solution tank. We can choose what amount of solution we wish to dispense upon the floor. There's the large yellow cap on the dirty water dump hose.
For the 26.4-gallon recovery tank, you'll notice the smooth sides. This lends to a more hygienic approach to dumping and rinsing the recovered solution.
Also, on the black portion of the recovery dome, you can place the basket for the home base kit. In the rear of the unit, you'll see a large storage space which utilizes a cargo net if we wish to take extra materials for cleaning tasks out in the field.
Thank you for watching the features and benefits video on the BD80-100 Auto Scrubber.
And until next time, keep it clean.